and welcome to another of our kitchen table conversations.
This one is on how to get back into harmony with your partner after a big argument. You see, when you get into a big argument, you get your energy systems out of whack with each other, where even after the argument has been finished, you somehow need to get back into harmony with the person, and sometimes words just don't do it.
You know, when we first got together, I remember after one of our first big arguments, we didn't really talk to each other for 3 days or something. It was really a big adjustment, and I want you to know we've really decreased that time over the years now, so that one of the things that we really recommend is to drop the words out. Words are ways very often where people divide themselves. And so after an argument, if you simply drop the words out and instead let yourself come back into breathing together, it's a wonderful way to reconnect where you harmonize your breathing.
So here's specifically how to do it. After you've finished the argument, you want to get into harmony again, take 60 seconds and sit down with each other and make eye contact and harmonize, in other words, match each other's breathing. So eye contact and matching the breathing. Do that for 60 seconds and watch what happens after that. Suddenly you'll feel this, okay, we're back together again. One thing that you'll notice in science is that when people are happy with each other, their breathing tends to harmonize. Or when a baby and its mother are nursing and the baby's happy, the baby often matches the mother's breathing. So what you're doing is just bringing in that possibility in after an argument to reconnect with yourselves on the deep energy level inside.
So it doesn't have to take a long time. You can simply decide that you're going to get back into harmony with each other and then move on into your happy life. So we'd love to hear about your experiments, what happens for you when you're exploring these things. So go to our Facebook and give your comments and let us know what your stories are.
Thanks for being with us, and much conscious loving to you.
We're so thrilled to be able to share these videos with people and to be able to share what we've discovered in our relationship that really works. If you like what you've seen, we'd love it if you'd share it with friends and if you'd comment on the video. So thanks for joining us.